Aisha, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you all done that?
Ma'am, yes, we have done.
Singular, plural, you all have
Yes.
done?
Yes, ma'am. Singular.
Okay, chalo, then I'll give a revision of singular and plural to you all. Because even Armstrong has done that. Okay? Is that clear? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Aisha, have your has your teacher given you the portion for the exam?
No.
No. So I cannot ask the oral also because they will have a problem, beta. See, Newton, please, for today's class, just understand we have a joint class. Okay. I will continue your test on Thursday. Is that clear? Understood, all of you? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Because it is a joint class, I'm doing something which will be useful for them also. Is that clear, all of you? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I get my book?
Yeah, please go and bring your English books, all of you. Can you all see the screen? No, na?
No.
No, ma'am.
But Armstrong students all have not joined, na, beta?
Yes, ma'am. They have
See,
not
very
joined.
few. Only Aisha is there and Ubada is there. Ubada, where are the other children?
I do not
I
know.
think for
ma'am.
the holiday they are sleeping.
Which holiday?
Yes, ma'am. For them it's holiday today.
Okay. Just 1 minute, I'm sending a message to Armstrong.
Has
Ma'am,
everybody got the force meter for science class?
No. No.
Okay,
What
I
you
have
all got?
Force meter for science class. Today's science class.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
What happened?
We don't have to get. But you have got. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who is that? Good morning.
I am on machine.
Oh, very, very good morning. How are you?
Fine.
Good boy.
Ma'am, I'm back.
What is today's date? Can somebody tell me today's date?
21. 21.
21. No?
21.
21.
Yes.
Did
Yes, 21.
21st
Ma'am, Christmas will come.
/ 2021. Okay.
Yes.
Singular. And plural. Living. Please copy it down, all of you.
Ma'am, I have done the book. I have notebook.
That what can I do, beta, if you don't have a book? I cannot help you from here. Ask your mother to give you another book. I will ask you all the answers randomly one by one. Just copy and be ready.
Ma'am, can you do up? I want to write that. Write the plurals of the following.
So you know it, write it down, na?
Ma'am, can I know why did you write the following double time?
इंग्लिश की पूरी बुक खत्म हो गई
Ma'am, why did you wrote following double time?
Because I think I made a mistake.
Yeah, it was a little
By mistake, but I have written it again.
Ma'am, do we have to write the question and answer?
Yes, of course. How do you know what is the question, bete? Write the question, please.
your name there, and when you join, your name.
Ma'am.
So there's like.
Nida, what is the problem, beta? What are you asking me? What can I do if you don't have a book? What can
Ma'am,
I do?
share your screen.
My screen was shared only. I stopped it because you were asking me. How many Armstrong children have joined? Only Aisha, Ubada, Ahmad. That's all. Musa, you're copying, beta? Sarah, Musa, Madiha, Ikra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please copy, huh? Okay. Hina, Bilal, Nida, Aisha, Hinda. All of you, please copy. Shall I scroll the screen down a little down now? Can I write?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I am in
Yes,
sixth.
ma'am. Now, what's the sixth one? Motto.
Motto.
Motto
What is your motto
like,
in life?
Yes,
Aim.
yes, like that.
Ma'am, I was writing the first one.
It's okay. You can leave that place and continue writing the second one. Okay? Leave the place for the first. When you can see the screen, copy it down. From when you're sitting here, Ubada, and you're still writing the first one.
Ma'am, scroll up.
What?
I want to see the second one. There is third
Ubada,
one.
can you please leave the number 2 and write number 3? Whichever you can see, start writing. Whenever I put the screen up, copy it down, beta. Be little smart.
Ma'am, done. Hinda.
Yeah, see how Hinda
Done,
and all
ma'am.
have completed till the
Ma'am,
end.
me also.
Ma'am, I
Done.
have also done.
Okay. Wait for others to complete.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll down? I'll take a screenshot real quick.
I'm still writing, beta. 15
morning,
words.
ma'am.
Okay.
Garden. Game.
Ma'am, what are you writing?
Nothing.
Singular and plural.
Now see how they are asking me questions. I've already started writing from so long.
Singular and plural.
Afan has come.
So if they join late,
Ma'am
that
is
is
lazy.
this is
Ma'am
not a
is-
time
No,
to join.
I was
15
thinking
minutes
it was
late.
in.
Ma'am,
I
what
was
क्या
thinking
लिखना
it
है?
was in Armstrong.
What?
I was thinking
Ma'am, what
the
क्या है
class
ये?
will be in Armstrong.
You,
That's why I was
we have
there.
beta. We had put the message, no, beta. From 15 minutes we are writing, beta.
15 minutes.
Ma'am, can you show the 14?
Ma'am, what is a word?
Please wait, because those who have joined now, let them copy now. Please wait. Every 2 minutes you all are telling me, put the screen down, put the screen up. It is not possible, beta. Have some patience now. Those who have joined late, can you all take a screenshot, please, quickly? Yes, beta.
Please end this class. Google.
What, bacha?
Ma'am, I write in chat.
I can't understand what he's saying.
Ma'am, he told that I'm writing in the chat something.
What is cat?
Chat, ma'am.
Chat? What
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
writing
He's
in the
saying that you can't understand him. That's why he's writing in the chat.
What you're writing in the chat, Hamza? What?
Ma'am, if he will say that, you will not understand because of his voice.
No, I cannot put the screen down again and again.
Ma'am, can you send this in Google Classroom?
Who
Can
is
you
that
send this in
asking
Google?
me?
Ma'am, Afan.
Yes,
Can you-
Afan, I will share this on Google Classroom. If you have missed out
Ma'am,
the
today
starting
only, huh?
part, what?
Ma'am, can you share this today?
Yeah, I'll share it immediately after the class in both Newton and Armstrong. Okay?
Okay.
Immediately I'll share it. Don't worry.
Ma'am, what class is this?
I have written.
This is a joint class and we are doing grammar because everybody can do that, beta. I had a different plan for my Newton, but I cancelled the test for them. Okay?
Okay.
Because you all don't know the test, na beta, I cannot take the
Ma'am,
test.
can you show the 14? Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
14th is lazy.
And now we'll discuss the answers, okay? Whoever knows it will raise
Okay,
their
ma'am.
hands one by
Ma'am.
one.
Okay.
Nobody will shout. Nobody will shout, please, okay?
Ma'am, done.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2
Please
minutes.
send
Ma'am, I
in
have also
Google
completed.
Class, Mohammad Hamza. Mohammad Zoheb, what is one, beta? One? Zoheb, what is one you're asking? In chat?
I wanted only one.
What one, Babu?
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay, now the first
Ma'am is
one.
saying that you
Yes.
have told the one only
First
in
one.
that.
First one. Mute yourselves. Mute yourselves. Mute yourselves. I will take your name. You give me the answer. Madiha, give me the plural of bee.
Bees.
Yes. Can you all write down the answer? Bees. Do you want me to write the answers also?
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
Let ma'am tell you.
BEES bees. Okay. Second one, Bilal. What is the answer?
ma'am, trees.
Trees. Hinda, third one.
Friends.
Okay. Now next, baby. Hina, what is the answer for baby?
Babies.
Very good. Next, teacher. Who knows the answer for teacher?
Ma'am,
Okay,
Teacher.
teacher. Next,
Ma'am.
motto. What is for motto?
Motors.
Yes, MOTTOS, mottos. What is for man?
Man.
MEN, men.
Men.
Okay. Child. What is for child? Any idea?
Children.
Children. Very good. Very good. Next, country.
Countries.
Countries. Yes, excellent. Very good. Next, dove.
Dove.
Doves.
Doves.
Okay, and GOOSE, goose.
Gooses.
Ma'am,
Geese.
game.
Geese.
Gardens.
Garden.
Game.
Gardens.
Next,
Gardens.
Games.
and
Games.
this is a mistake.
Daisies.
This is lady. LADY.
Ladies.
Games. LADIES. Ladies.
Verses.
Verses. Very good.
Wait, Hamad Jain.
Done,
Okay.
ma'am, writing.
Now completed this. Can I write the next question?
Yes.
All of you?
2 minutes. Ma'am, I'm on the
Ma'am,
game.
I am in 12th one.
Ma'am, I'm in 13.
I have finished.
Write the singular for the following nouns. Okay.
Ma'am, can you write slowly?
I will write and beta, then I will scroll it for you all. Okay.
Ma'am, your screen is not there.
Okay. Copy this much first. Come on. Are you all able to see beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you
Okay.
scroll down?
Yes.
Glasses.
Copy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we'll discuss and write the answers.
Yes.
Armstrong, are you writing? Armstrong?
Ahmad, बोल जल्दी.
Ma'am,
What?
can you go to 5?
Hi, colleague. 5 क्या है?
Ma'am, can you do up?
लिख जल्दी spelling.
Beta, there's only one word. Number one is
I
books.
need to.
Number one is books.
T-O. लिख.
Please
Either
mute your
only-
call. Parents, mute your call and make them write.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait.
I can't wait, beta. I have to keep writing to complete fast.
wait, I'm on 10th.
Copy, beta.
Wait, I'm at oxen.
What?
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
The oxen. Oh, man, wait.
Ma'am, done.
Those who have done, try the answers.
Oxen.
What is the problem with oxen?
Ma'am, she doesn't know what is oxen.
Okay, that is a different story. I said there's something wrong.
Ma'am, I didn't say I don't know. I said I'm at oxen.
Ah, okay. You're writing oxen, that means. Abdullah Ganja, are you writing, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good boy.
Ma'am, I am
Afan is there or no? Afan, Afan is there?
Wait, ma'am, I am seeing.
Just see if Afan is there. Afan, are you there?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, you're writing, Afan.
Yes.
Musa, Ikra, Hamza, Sara, Bilal. I want all of you to write Ahmad, Yahya, Afan.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Everybody should write it down. This will help you in your exam, okay?
Ma'am, you have written
Aisha.
sheeps or sheep. Ma'am, that's sheep. It will be sheeps.
No, no, you don't teach me. Don't be my teacher. I know what I have written. Okay? Don't teach me. I will give you the answer. All right? There are certain words, they remain same. Sheep will remain sheep only. It will not be sheeps. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes. Chalo, now we'll discuss the answers and write it down. Okay?
ma'am, I wrote the answers.
Yes, I'm going to discuss and write it one by one. I'll ask you and write it down. First one. What is singular? Singular means one.
Book.
So books. What is the singular for books?
Book.
Book.
Yes. Houses. What will be?
House.
House.
Very good.
Crowd.
Next, crowds.
Crowd.
Crowd. Okay. Next. Glasses.
Glass.
Very good. Photo.
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 Photo. Very good. Very good.
Roof.
Next,
Roof.
next, calf.
Calf.
Next, wives. Wife. Next, days. Don't repeat the word. Don't make so much noise.
Story.
What will be for
Ox.
oxen? Okay. And see, there are certain words which remain same. Sheep will be sheep. Next, pianos.
Piano.
Leaves.
Piano.
And city.
City. Done, ma'am.
Please mute your calls. So much noise is there. Mute your calls, all of you. All right. Completed, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, last 5 minutes. I will play a small game. You all know what are homophones?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any idea? Bilal?
Ma'am,
Rolling phone.
ma'am, like
Ma'am, Stone Age phone. Ma'am, I was not done.
Who has not done? Who is that?
Abdullah.
Ma'am, my tuition
Ma'am,
teacher
what
has
did
taught
you
me
ask?
homework
Ma'am,
on.
I know, ma'am.
Ma'am,
See,
they
flower,
are the same. They
flower
are the
and
same.
flowers.
Same sound, same sound,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
but
same sound.
different spelling. For
Yes.
like
example,
flower
now
meaning.
I will
flower.
give you the word. I will give you one word. You give me the other word. Is that clear?
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
sound word.
Ma'am, mute everyone. Ma'am, please mute everyone.
I'm muting all of you. Lots of noise. No? There is lots of noise. There is some disturbance also. Kar noise is also there.
From Abdullah, ma'am.
Abdullah Ganja. Okay. Now the first word I'll give you. Give me a homophone for. It's a game, huh? Let me see who knows it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, homophone.
Ma'am, I know. For number, it is short form of NO and no. Same.
No.
K-N-O,
Yes.
no. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And no.
8. What is the homophone for
Ma'am,
8?
ATE, 8.
Eight.
ATE.
At 88.
Okay. One moment, okay?
Right.
Right.
What is the next one for that?
Right, ma'am. Ma'am, writing one.
Right. Ma'am, right.
Very good.
W-R-I-T.
Okay. MEAT, meet.
MEET, meet.
Excellent. Very good. Next.
Me.
HAIR, hair.
Hairs.
Ma'am, HEIR.
H-E-I-R.
Hair.
Ma'am, H-E-A-R. Ma'am,
HARE,
H-E-A-R.
hair. HARE, hair and the tortoise.
H-E-R-E. Ma'am, H-E-R-E.
Okay. Next one. Wait.
Here.
Ma'am,
W-I-T.
wait. WEIGHT.
W-E-I-T.
Very good. Next. SO and sun.
Ma'am, SU and sun.
S-U-N, son. Ma'am, this one was easy.
S-U-N, son. C.
Okay. Now the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
What is for I?
Ma'am, I-E-Y-E-S.
I-E. Very good. Who said the answer?
Ma'am, I told
me,
ma'am.
Aisha.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I told Hina.
Ma'am, Aisha.
Ma'am, Hina. Ma'am, Hina.
Ma'am, that was Aisha, not you.
इधर देख सर
No,
मत देख
I was.
Aisha. Aisha.
Mary.
मेरी
Ma'am, another Mary. What we
Yes.
call?
Okay. Anything else? Anybody wants to give your word? We will
Ma'am,
try.
flowers.
Ma'am, S-U-N, son. S-O-N, son.
Done. Already done.
Oh.
Ma'am, flower. F-L-O-U-R. F-L-O-U-R.
And FLOWER.
Ma'am,
Yes.
flower. Shower.
F-E-L-L. Ball.
Okay.
बोलो RIGHT right.
Ma'am, flower. Shower.
Right, right.
Flower.
WRIT right.
Ma'am, flower.
Okay, one new word, dear. What will come for dear?
DEAR.
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 D-A-R.
Okay.
क्या है?
Ma'am, do
What
we have
will
to
come
write
for
this?
where?
Where?
W-E-E-R.
W-E-E-R? No.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
do we have
WARE.
to write
Yes,
this?
W-H-E-R-E.
Like ma'am, hardware or software. Yeah.
No, that where will not come in this, beta. Okay, next word. Some.
SUN. Some. SUN.
S-U-M.
Some.
Okay. W-H-O-L-E whole.
HOLE.
H-O-L-E.
Actually, whole.
Okay. Anybody else wants to share their word?
Mommy.
No?
Gel. Gel. Bell. Bell.
G-E-L, gel.
Bell. Ma'am, gel bell.
No, you're doing rhyming words, Aisha. We are doing homophone.
Gel. Gel.
Anything else? Anybody wants to try?
Ma'am, is Yahya audible?
Yes?
Yahya wants to say something.
Yes, Yahya? Please tell us.
C.
S-E-E-C?
Ma'am, accept.
S-E-E-S-E-A.
Yahya, give us the answer.
S-C-C.
Ma'am, S-E-C-S-E-A.
S-C-S-C.
Okay, very good, Yahya. Anybody wants to try any word?
सारा बोलो.
Mommy.
What? Yes, Sarah?
Right.
Right is already done. W-R-I-T-E, W-R-I-G-H-T.
Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Okay,
Oh,
one more.
better.
C-E-L-L, cell.
Ma'am, which word are we writing?
Cell.
Ma'am, accept. ACCEPT.
One
Accept.
minute. I hope that is gone. Oh, it's there. Cell, it will come as S-E-L-L.
S-E-S-E-L-L.
S-E-double-L. Now I'm not able to write that.
Words
Please
are
stop
we writing
annotating.
synonym?
Don't annotate, please. It will come as S-E-double-L cell. Okay. Anything else? Anybody wants to add on?
Ma'am, which word are we writing? Synonyms? Which words?
Homophones. Okay, one more I'm giving you.
Ma'am,
Cereal. Cereal.
Ma'am, SERIAL.
Very good, Bilal. Cereal is TV serial.
Ma'am,
Next.
shell.
S-A-U-C-E sauce and S-O-U-R-C-E sauce. Okay? Anything else?
Accept, ma'am. Accept. ACCEPT.
And
Accept.
E-X-C-E-P-T.
Double A, double C.
Ma'am,
Accept.
what the
No, beta. Tell me the spelling. Tell me the spelling, Bilal, once first.
ACC.
Yes. A-double-C-E-P-T. That is accept.
Yes, and there is also accept.
C-E-P-T.
EXCEPT.
Yes, but that is a high level word. Let's not write it for all of them. Okay?
Ma'am, shape.
Okay. Addition. Addition.
A-D-D.
Ma'am, soul and soul.
E-D-I-T-I-O-N. Huh?
Ma'am, soul.
What?
Soul.
Huh?
And the shoes, soul, and then our soul.
Okay. S-O-L-E and S-O-U-L. All right? Okay. Now for today, I think you learned some new words. Yes? You'll learn so
Yes,
many words.
ma'am.
Yes or no? Yes. Please
Ma'am,
copy
what
it
is
from.
the
Please copy the
Ma'am, the
revision
spelling
from
of
Google
addition.
Classroom if you have
Ma'am, you
missed
will-
out. Okay.
Ma'am, the second one, ma'am, the last one I want. Addition
It's
and
not
what was the
it's not for school, beta. That is just a game. What do you want in that? It's not a
Ma'am,
school
can you
work.
tell?
It is just we are playing a game. Okay. All right. Those who have not copied the revision, please copy it from Google Classroom. Is that clear, all of you? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Thursday, Newton, I will take your test of the same thing, which we didn't do today. Okay, because I was not able to take joint class was there. All right.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye, everybody. I'm going now. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
You too have a nice day,
Ma'am,
beta.
another homophone. YES, YAS.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, another homophone. YES, YAS.
No, that is not a word. YAS is which word? कुछ भी फेंकने का, ठोकने का.